Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you YGwigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So right here I am showing you guys all of the cool cute little headbands that came in the packaging, as well as some other goodies that came in the packaging. And then we're going to get straight into this wig. Okay, so the unit that I am reviewing is their curly texture wig. It does have 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the little Velcro headband thingy. You guys know I always mess that up, but you guys know what I'm talking about, honey. Okay, so this unit is 22 inches long, and it is a highlighted wig, as you guys can see. The rest is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this unit. If you are interested in any more details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you YGwigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit I am rocking right now is their curly unit. So it's a headband unit, as you can tell. So they got on here, it says hair structure, headband wig, hair texture curly, hair length 22 inches, hair color, highlight color. The density is 150% density, and then they have a direct link. Man, shout out to you YGwigs. I like when it comes like that. Like, yes. Okay. So when I first click on it, the first person I see is my girl Brittany, the Hearts and Cakes 90. Y'all, I love Brittany. Like, oh yes. So that is the first person that I see. The length that they said that I have is 22 inches. Am I right, child? I forgot that fast. I think it was 22 inches. And to get it in the highlight color, I'm just trying to see how much this wig is going to cost you. And it's $188, honey, if you get it in this length. And if you get it in the shortest length, it is 14 inches. It'll be $99. And if you get it in the longest length, which is 24 inches, it's going to be $209, honey. Okay. So let me make sure that it was 22 inches. And you can also get this wig in a natural color. So I did see that as an option. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into it. As far as tangling, there's no tangling with this wig. I am getting some shedding though. Like, it's not crazy shedding. It's just like a little bit when I run my finger. Well, am I lying? Yeah. I get a little bit, like maybe a strand, but I have to go over and over and over and over again to get that strand. So it's really, really minimum shedding, but I did want to point that out because, honey, I don't need you coming for your girl later, okay? Like, she said no shedding, honey, okay? So, yeah, I just want to throw that out there. And like I said, there's no tangling. Like, you see me just, like, run my fingers through it. And it's crazy because of the texture of this hair. I expected a little bit of tangles, but didn't get any. So yeah, that's that. Now as far as the cap construction, this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps and an elastic band. Now when it comes to the headband wigs, I personally feel like they're basically one size fit all. Now if you got a water head, then you already know, girl, what don't fit your head. Like, let's not even play, girl. Okay, let's not play. So overall, I do feel like it can fit most people. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Child, I look naked. I got on clothes, honey, okay? I got on clothes, got on dress. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check. I want you guys to keep in mind that I am 5'4", so the length of it is gonna depend. And like I said, they had Brittany on the site, so obviously Brittany has reviewed this. She's a taller person. Her neck is very long and swan-like. So if you know you like that and you're not on the shorter side like me, if you're more on the taller side, because I think she's like 5'11" or 6 feet. She's taller. So if you want to, go check the length of it on her. But I'm gonna give you the short girl, the short girl stubby neck version, okay? So if you are interested in all that, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a length check. Okay, so this is where the 22 inches comes on me. Yeah, it's right here. And I'm gonna show you where it comes in the back. This is where it comes to me in the back. Okay, and you guys know what I always say to you about my rolls, honey. Don't mind my rolls, they're for dinner. So if you are interested in how I feel about this unit and all of that, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I like this wig. I think it is really cute. I think it is a great throw on and go. And because of the ombre, it can just look like, oh, child. And because of the ombre or the highlights, it can just look like you literally dyed your hair. I love the texture of it. Did it say curly? I feel like this is more of a wave in my opinion. Like usually I confuse curly and wavy textures, but to me this is definitely more of a wave, and it just looks really good. I feel like it has a natural look to it because somehow it has a kink to it. Like, am I making sense? Like, do you know what I mean, girl? Like, does it have a kink to it to you too? Like, let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, I feel like it has like sort of a kink to it. So it still gives it that really, really natural black girl magic, you know what I mean? So yeah, I like it. I think it is really cute. I'm feeling it. I actually did not apply any product to this wig at all. I didn't feel like it needed it. I liked how it looked straight out of the packaging. So that is always a plus. Like literally all I did was run my fingers through it, and you can or don't have to do that if you don't want to, girl. It's your wig. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. Let me know down below what you guys think. I love the colors. I love the highlights. I have no issues with this one whatsoever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Is it a look? Is it a vibe to you? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.